Hi, I really wanted to show you guys a little bit about some tricks for formatting, just because it's such a simple thing that really can make a big difference if you do it correctly. So this is a little mini blog that I've been working on, and this is an example of kind of how it looks before I've done a lot of formatting. So I like to kind of keep track of some keywords at the top so I can remember to use them. And so kind of before I work on it, you can see how it's just a lot of text and it's kind of hard to figure out what is where. And so once we add formatting, it will help the reader quite a bit. So the first thing that I wanted to show was how you do the title. So I'm in Google Docs, which is a great platform for writing blogs because it helps with maintaining some of the formatting when you put it into your website. And so if I'm going to do the title, I'm going to just highlight the title that I've already written, and then I'm going to go over to this box here. It currently says normal text, and I click on it. Now, it's easy to think this is the title, so I'm going to pick title, but that actually doesn't help as much. So if you actually do heading 1, that's a little bit better for Google to understand, and then that'll help. And then more importantly is the little subheadings. So I kind of left some in here. So let's say I'm going to do this subheading. I'm going to make this a subheading. What does independence in childhood look like? I'm going to highlight that and then do heading 2. So again, I've used some of my keywords in that heading. So then let's say I'm going to do this one. It's another one I kind of put in here. And I'm going to make this a subheading. So subheading 2. And you can see already that I'm breaking it up a little bit. And then the other thing to look at is sentence or paragraph and sentence length to make them a little bit shorter. So if I'm going through, I'm kind of looking and seeing like, oh, this first one is pretty long. Is there a break in an idea that would work to move it down? So maybe I do it here. Just break that up a little bit so it's easier to read. And then any kind of lists, I'm kind of looking where maybe I have a lot of commas and that's a list. And I could break that up by making it into bullets. So this could be, I'm going to just switch it and use the bullet button. And then afterwards, after I kind of broke it up, I'm going to go back and work on some of the wording to make it all equal. But you can see that that really helps break it up a little bit. And so this is the same one. I'm going to switch after I've done a lot more of the formatting. Really, it's a lot of the same content, but you can see that it's broken up a lot more and it's easier for the reader to kind of pick a topic and know what it's about. So here's some bullets, a lot easier, shorter paragraphs, adding some bold can help on a bulleted list if they're a little bit longer. Again, just making it super easy for the reader, and so that they can kind of quickly go through your piece and really know what it's about. I hope this helped, and talk to you soon.